Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a leaked pet coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so as you can see here, there's a pet. It looks like an owl. It's blue, it has like sparkly eyes, a pink beak, and like purple or pink eyebrows. This was found by a Prodigy Math Master on the wiki. And here is the spine. So we have like a gem right here. We have a bunch of gems. This kind of looks like a cloud. These will probably be wings. There's the shadow right here. This is an eyebrow. This will probably be the head. So I have a pretty good idea what this is going to look like in my head, but I'm not going to put the spine together because that's going to take forever. So this is probably going to be an ice pet. It'll definitely be an owl most likely. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.